Hi everyone, hi pet owners and cat lovers or furry kid owners. This is the Cadia pet grooming kit and vacuum. So check this out. We're going to be vacuuming my cat and my dog today because they definitely leave their shared amount of fur throughout the house, and we needed something that was not only going to brush them but also vacuum all the fur up at the same time. So check this out. We have a little manual right here and all the bits and pieces that make the magic work. So I'm going to take all of them out to show you guys individually. Alright, you guys, this manual is pretty huge. There's so many things that this little device can do, but check this out. This is the vacuum machine, and we have all of these different accessories right here. For example, we have a nozzle and some guard combs right there. We also have this accessory holder, which is what other things connect to, and there's so much more, like an electric clipper. So I'm gonna start figuring this out together with you guys and showing how I'm gonna use it on my dog Max and my cat Paris. So check this out. I also wanted to show you guys this nice little strap to carry it around, and here on the back of it you're going to see where to plug it in right there. So I'm gonna plug it in right now. Here is what the plug looks like, just pushing it in, and I'm ready to place it on an outlet. Alright, now that our device is plugged in, I'm going to be adding in the nozzle. As you can see, it goes in right here at the front, and all you gotta do is push it in and lock it in place by twisting it. So just like that, it's nice and ready to be connected to anything else. For instance, right here I have the clippers, as you can see, and all you gotta do is come down here and attach it as well, and now you can start clipping your dog's fur and it's going to be vacuumed up. That is so cool, you guys. I definitely like this product so far. Alright, you guys, this is my favorite part of the entire thing. It is a brush with different attachments. So check this out. You have all these different attachments you can use, but I'm going to be using this one right now. So you want to make sure that this is unlocked right here all the way to the right, and then it can come out of its little case right here, which is gonna help put this inside. And then you're gonna press the button up here and you just slide this bad boy in there and clip it closed, and it's ready to go. Check that out. And once you push this forward and lock it in place by pulling it all the way to the left, you're going to be able to see the little brushes come out, and you can brush your dog while it vacuums it all up. I am amazed with this product, and of course you just have to attach the hose down here as well, and I am ready to go brush Max. So let's see how much fur I can get out of him. Alright, you guys, that definitely passed the test. Max's fur always gets all over me when I brush him with a regular brush, but not anymore. Now that I have this product, I can brush him and have it all vacuumed up, and it's not gonna get anywhere near me. Now Max definitely is gonna get brushed way more often, and so is Paris. I definitely recommend this product, you guys. It is an amazing thing to own. Whether you want to use the clippers or you want to brush your dog, fur is going to be collected and not get everywhere on you. I definitely recommend this product. Go check it out on Amazon. To me, it is a 10 out of 10 must have.